Everyone knows the Tatas. Some of your family member at some point might have even worked in an enterprise they ran. But this multi-billionaire dollar business did not root in solid ground overnight. It was the hard work, commitment and vision of one man who took what he had and made it the best one in the playground. Jahangir Ratanji Dadabhai Tata, or JRD Tata as he is famously known, was a man of the ages. Born into the industrious Tata family, he grew up imbibing two polarized cultures, one from his sophisticated French mother and the second from his Parsi father. Born in 1904, Jahangir spent the first few years of his life in France. His father had decided to move the family to London at this point, but shortly after moving, JRD's mother passed away and the family returned to India. In between his many travels, JRD grew up to be a restless seeker of adventure and strived for excellence in every aspect of his life. At a time when the World War were in play and the world was advancing in mechanics and technology, JRD decided to put his love for flying into action and turn his attention to then less popular aviation industry. He not only became India's first licensed pilot but also founded India's first commercial airline in 1932, Tata Airlines. It was under his leadership that the Tata assets climbed from rupees 62 crores in 1939 to more than 10,000 crores in 1990. On his birthday, we celebrate the legacy of a man who took the business world by a storm and created a legacy that continues even today. Here are some of the JRD's defining characteristics that can serve as a guide to entrepreneur everywhere. None can destroy iron, but its own rust can. Likewise, none can destroy a person, but his own mindset can. Making steel may be compared to making a chapati. To make a chapati, even a golden pin will not work unless the dough is good. When you work, work as if everything depends on you. When you pray, pray as if everything depends on God. To be a leader, you have got to lead human beings with affection. I do not want India to be an economic superpower. I want India to be a happy country. We salute you, sir.